Now let's go into the SALN because there's a directive from the Speaker for all of you to consider this during the break on how the SALNs of all the congressmen can be released, what rules should bind the release, etc. And are you willing to release your own SALN without, the public having to ask the ombudsman for it? It's really the House itself being transparent in that manner.
Sure, no problem to release the SALN. Pero I think the House should be able to implement the policy first. Kasi the Ombudsman had already made the general policy on the executive. The House and the Senate should be able to implement their own policy as well. Kasi, syempre, pagka wala nun, hindi paano pa isa-isang mga congressman lang yung naglalabas. No? Parang, we don't want it to be performative. We want the actual policy change in which everyone, like 317 congressmen, would be compelled to basically release all of their salary.
Yeah. Any recommendations on how this policy should be drafted? What kind of policy should this be?
No, we can just adopt what the ombudsman policy is. No, basically, naman it's a general disclosure, but respecting data privacy limits. No? So there should be no identifiers of where your house is, what the plate numbers of your cars are, yung mga ganun. Basta naman, but anything else. But more importantly, yung absolute numbers, no, in your assets, liabilities, and net worth. Yun talaga dapat fully disclosed yun. Kasi doon natin makikita yung year-to-year comparison of lumaki ba, lumit ba yung pagkayamanan mo.
Okay, kasi Congressman, also on the Storycon today, the minority pointed out na dapat given. The public should not have to request the ombudsman, but rather it's already pro forma na ilalabas na yan ng mga elective officials.
Pwede, okay lang, walang problema yon na meron hong actual release ng mga SALN. We will let the House leadership make that determination. Pero I think what needs to be clear is, basta merong basic request yung public of a SALN of a particular congressman, dapat walang tanong-tanong, dapat malabas yun. Basta lang ma-redact yung mga personal information.
Sa tingin mo ba mahirap yan gawin? May mga may aalma dyan sa mga kasamahan nyo dyan sa House of Congress?
I think at this point, mahirap na umalma. Kasi firstly, the Ombudsman had already made this as a general policy for the executive. And secondly, House Speaker Bogie D had made it as his first commitment in his first press conference that he's willing to show his SALN. Diba? So if the Speaker is basically willing to show his SALN, sino naman yung mga ordinary kongresista para magreklamo?